2003 Toyota Camry. This is going to be power window regulator replacement on the driver's side here, and that is a regular Phillips plastic cover off, and use this Phillips here. Just go like this, and same over here. And on the bottom here, right there, 8mm. Also, you can do it with a Phillips. You also can do it with a Phillips or either 8mm socket. That's 8mm bolt. And here with the same 99-cent tool, I'm gonna do insert it over here. Right there, and that's another Phillips right there. We're gonna remove this with Phillips. I already loose it. Now we're gonna take this off here, and this one here. This one is the other one here. Now this cover here, this one, just pry it out. Okay, this is not flathead. You should use a flathead screwdriver. Take this off here, this tab here. It's a tab here. Press it and pull it out. Right there. That's the tab right there. You press it and you bring it out. Right there. Next step, I'm gonna pull this out like this, right there, and then pull it up, and then push it up. It's plastic protection for the water here. Okay, these two cables here, I'm gonna come in the inside here. These two cables right there, that's how it goes right here. Oops, right there. I'm doing it with one hand right there. This one, remember, this one goes on top, and the green one comes here. Can do it with one hand, but basically right there, see, this is to open the door. Right there, see, it goes like this, and these, oops, just like that. It goes like this. I'm gonna take this off right now. This one has to come off, this one, and there is another one here. We have to remove this 10mm bolt for the speakers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the wire, the connector right there. Right here. Again, flathead should be great here, but 10mm bolt. 10mm bolt right there too. Also, these two have to come out. These two 10mm bolt, and these ones too. I can do it with this, so I have to use a wrench to do these two here. I'm gonna do this one here first. This is a flexible head, flex head. this one here too. These are the two that holds the window. Right there. But before that, I'm gonna get some tape. Right there with tape. I'm holding it with tape, body chop tape, because if you use other tape, it's gonna ruin the paint or whatever. Also, I'm gonna remove this connector here. I'm gonna press on the tap. Next, I'm gonna be removing, this one and this one. I think it is. Now these two, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This. So it's very easy. Now I'm gonna take it out. Here is. Okay, here is the old one, and here is the new one. I have to buy the whole thing with the regulator and motor because they did not sell only the motor. Now, in case if you're gonna do just the motor, you have to take it out from here. Spring here is kind of hard to remove, but it can be removed. All you gotta do is unhook it from here with a plier or a screwdriver, and then you bring this here. In my case, I'm not gonna do that because what I did was this has a long connector. I connected to the door, to the connector on the door right there, here, and turn on the ignition on, put the ignition on, and move it to the same position where this is. This is all the way down. The window was all the way down, so that's the same way it's gonna go. I'm gonna connect it right now, so now you gotta find the holes here to align it. Okay, this one here, this one, screw by hand. Make sure that they go by hand. Once you line up this pin here, you line up these 4 bolts. Okay, I'm gonna be getting this up right now. This is the whole thing, and this is where you the tabs here that go here. Gotta line up with these holes, the tab and this. And don't worry about this here, the one on the bottom. When you adjusting this and putting this here, it's lining up. I hope the camera can pick that up, but it's getting over here already. Gotta try to line it up from both sides, and right there, here, and here. Pouring the screw by this bolt by hand, 10mm bolt. All bolts right now at this point are by hand, and this one came off here. I hope right there. Hope it doesn't come off again. So I'm gonna tie these ones right now, and before getting the window down, I'm gonna take the tape off and bring it down. Now I'm gonna bring that window down. Make sure it goes, it doesn't come off the rail. So make sure when you bring it down, it doesn't come off the channels on the sides. And it's supposed to match the holes right there. Right there. How the camera is getting that. Very much the holes. Put this one by hand here. I'm gonna go with the next one here. It's a little bit off. A little bit of issue with this here. I'm gonna see if it goes right now. The hole is not matching 100%. It's just very little, but that's enough to keep the bolt from going in by hand. I'm gonna see if I can get it right now. Alright, it's going smoothly right now. I'm gonna use the flex hair here. Beautiful. I'm gonna try to get it up. That seems beautiful right there. Okay, I just want to show here how these wires, the wing one right there, that's how it goes, right there. This one, that's how they go, very easy. That's the clip right there. That's the clip, so that prevents them from coming off. This screw here, it's the big one, the one that goes here. This is the tab that goes in the front here. You place it in right there first. And another screw goes here. And this one goes here in the corner. Don't know if the camera is gonna get this, but alright, that's all I have left to do. This one, the screw here, and the two here, and that should be fine. Thanks for watching.